No call back my phone, bro. What the f feel like? Me no play a certain game, dog. I prank me around and you going like say you're a batty boy, you're a batty boy. Just I give you a quick call, my friend, just to tell you happy Valentine's Day, you see me?
Don't so kiss her, boy. Don't let me say about your bumper clock. Happy Valentine, you tell me, virgin.
In America, they tell... Bro.
How are you, boy?
Just a quick call me and give your friend to tell you happy Valentine's Day, you see me? There, man, just give you a quick shout and just tell you happy Valentine's Day, you see me?
Well, in Jamaica, a gunshot you would get for that, you know?
Okay, later now. Call my girlfriend and pull up me now and catch her in her driveway.
Oh, okay, let me hurry up.
Hurry up.
You know, we don't want that.
Yeah. A quick call me and give you still to tell you happy Valentine's Day, you see me? Okay guys, me come up with this crazy idea. Me have my son up on the road and me not call my father because I see my father and I try to call me this morning. Me not call him and something come to my mind. Why not call my Jamaican friends them? Men, my Jamaican friend them we a man and tell them happy Valentine's Day. So we are pull over right now and me and my son are gonna get the video going. My son say, Daddy is a great idea. Just for y'all, okay? No homo. We don't want no. Anybody will comment now, Rayan, I'm not video, you're gonna get blocked. I'm telling you in front now. So we just pull over and I'm gonna call them, put it on speaker, and call a few of them just for y'all and see how they react, okay? I'm gonna call my dog in England, Uncle Sam, and see what he must say. Right, bro, feel it. Alright, Uncle Sam now answer, look like him feel it. Alright. We don't know DMAC TV, Delroy. Alright, I'll call Delroy. Alright, Delroy, I go answer still.
Bro.
Go on, bro. Everything good?
Yeah, man, everything kiss over this AR bill.
You're up on the block?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. There, man, just give you a quick shout and just tell you happy Valentine's Day, you see me?
Tell me happy Valentine's Day. Hello?
Yeah, man, me there.
Tell me happy Valentine's Day.
You know my dog, bro?
You see? No man is supposed to tell Livy happy Valentine's Day, man.
Alright, bro. You tell Livy already, dog, but me call you and I say, Ray, you know?
No, man. You can't be telling no man no happy Valentine's, man.
Oh, shit. You know, say I true, bro? I true, bro.
You know, in Jamaica, a gunshot you would get for that, you know?
What you do, bro? Me just show you my dog, bro. You know what I'm saying? You don't like my dog, you know, me just... You know, but I choose still when I really look into it, you see me?
Valentine's Day for the woman, them, my you.
Oh, you're right, bro. I know not like a Easter holiday or so, you see me?
No, man.
Alright, bro.
Yeah, call a man and tell him happy Valentine's Day. It's like you telling the man, say, boy, you want him to be your Valentine?
I true, bro. Alright, dog. Me understand, bro. I watch my face, yeah?
You call Mama Law and tell Mama Law what you say, man.
Okay, guys, I go call my sister ex-husband. And my dog see him, you see me? I like my brother. Greg, big up yourself for you watch this. You see me? My dog, good youth. Why everybody locked down for Valentine's Day, dog? Bro, what going on?
Yeah, man, head up on.
No, me there, I do everything up.
Yeah, man, so far.
You there on the walk?
I saw it up on the road.
Ah, you there on the work. Okay. Plus I call you a quick call, me I give you still for tell you happy Valentine's Day, you see me?
Alright, man, happy Valentine's.
So make you laugh.
I'm gonna tell man happy Valentine's, brother.
Man, not tell man happy Valentine's.
Alright.
No dog, over America you then do it, man. Yeah, man.
I'm different place, you know, man. Remember, good.
So me no, so. Not sure you are my dog still, me just say Ray, you see me?
Alright, my boss.
Yeah, hear me, bro?
Clear, man.
Oh, everything?
Everything blessed up.
Okay. There you are, bro. Now my son up on the road, you see me?
Oh.
Okay. Yeah, man.
Everything blessed.
Just a quick call me in a gear still for tell you happy Valentine's Day. You see my friend?
Happy Valentine, your bumper clad. How have you?
Yeah, my dog, bro.
Happy Valentine, you tell me, Virgin.
In America, they tell.
Wonder.
Bro.
How are you, my
This a boy one done from one done and live it. And me have an event where I want to invite you now to. You see me? When we talk about an upscale event, when we talk about an event that makes sense, an event with substance people, pearl all white or nude. You see me? So you can wear white or wear nude. It's an upscale event. We have some bad DJ we have to pass through. We are talking about DJ like DJ Ricky Platinum, DJ Fergie, Sir Toxic, and a big DJ Dirty Dex. You understand? February 22nd, and that's a Sunday. You're all invited. You see flyer so? Alright, so. Yes, flyer. All are invited. Party are going to Dana Beach, Florida. The address down here, so. Anyway you take it, just copy the address, man. Put in the GPS. I want you load, guys. It's a different level of party in go on. Sunday, February 22nd, 2026. Wanda and Olivia going at the crowds. Come look the way, you see me? A bad party. I'm out. I call one of my dark friend now. One of my dark friend I call now.
This man, killer, man.
What you say?
Dark, this man, I go.
Dark, my friend.
Holy man. Joke, man. I look bright to the youth.
Alright, we end up on the darkness. Everything up?
Yeah, I'm giving God thanks, you know.
Alright, I like that. Yeah, man, just a quick call me and give your friend to tell you happy Valentine's Day. You see me?
Come on, this bumper clap. Gunshot. One shot.
You know America, we think different, bro. Yeah,
fuck that shit.
Yeah, my dog, you know, bro.
Watch your face. Watch your face. Nobody will today, no watch your. Nobody don't fuck with today, no dog. Take a phone book, yeah, fuck with.
Yeah, my dog, bro. Happy Valentine's Day, dog. Okay, guys, so I'll call my friend Raphael. So my dog from school days.
Yo.
How go on, my bro?
Man. It's not this Sunday, it's next week Sunday.
Me know, man. Yeah, man. So, just to give you a quick call, my friend, just to tell you happy Valentine's Day. You see me?
Go fuck yourself, everyone. Don't let me tell you about your bumper class. Can't move tell you about happy Valentine.
What wrong with that, Raphael? Yeah, my dog.
You know, me not think no back on the blood clot phone. I will just hang you. You think no dog. You know, me call Olivia and tell Olivia say you're batty, man.
What about you, man, bro? Me can't tell my friend happy Valentine's Day.
No tell me a bumper clot.
Why no mind in I got time youth?
You know, make it turn in I go to right in the me born at Jamaica, send us to the hospital, yeah? So me to move your bumper clot friend so happy Valentine's Day.
I know nothing, bro. You're my dog. Yo, dog, me love me dog, bro. Me love, yeah, me dog, bro. Yeah, me dog, bro. I know nothing, bro. No fishy thing, no anything, bro. You no mind, I got that too much. Yo.
Younger.
Hang up. Prank me a prank, you dog. Prank.
Happy Valentine, you bumper clad. You man?
I prank me a prank, you, bro. I prank me a prank, you.
Yeah. Speechless in the car, I wonder what the fuck I want to go on and I'm not to go. I will put on my binoculars and I'm not to something right. You know?
Something alright.
Yeah? Something alright.
Now where is it, my friend? I don't know shaky move, man. I just content here.
You know I go. You know I go.
I have to do everything good? Yeah, man, I'm good, man. They run go and store, go get some, leave it some little flowers and thing.
Oh, yeah, buy roses.
I prank me a prank, you. I prank me a prank, you, bro.
I've got so foolish since it's fun.
I prank me a prank, you still. I prank me a prank, you, dog. No one's up here, here. Alright, we'll link with them more.
Alright.
The Mac TV say a gunshot me I get them in the Jamaica. I call back Raphael, guys.
Yeah,
I
you
call
know.
back Raphael.
Yeah, you know.
Oh, bro, nah answer.
Your call has been forwarded.
Raphael, nah answer.
Told you no.
I'll text you.
Answer. Probably blocked you.
A prank, bro. A prank, bro.
You play too rough, sponge.
Oh.
You laugh with your shark. Hello.
Night, a prank, bro. You're so dark, cute.
You know, I'm not tell Buddha. I'm not tell Buddha. I have to call the fuck today, dad. Buddha, yeah. I'm not tell Buddha.
Tell Buddha.
Tell Buddha, look at boy, I am on Instagram. I'm just tell Buddha.
Tell Buddha happy Valentine's Day for me.
Bro, we look at him happy Valentine.
A viral you got now, you know, bro. Man, I got the phone to run. My friend then dark your fuck. A prank, bro. Nothing serious.
Don't tell me that.
Man, then dark your fuck.
Even a man you don't say I tell her happy Valentine. No me.
That was just an experiment. Telling my Jamaican brothers happy Valentine's Day. Like, share and comment. You see me? Okay, guys. So, you know, I say Valentine's, you know, a Valentine's Day, I may forget my baby some Valentine flowers. You understand? Or a balloon. You don't know. So, me and Damari and I go get some, leave some flowers. You understand? We're in public supermarket. And we know living love roses. We know living love roses. So I think I want to get her a balloon and a bouquet of roses. Cause that's what ladies like. And big up my friend in England, Sam, when I believe in her flowers. Sam say nah give no woman no flowers. Sam say any flowers when you give woman if it can grow, it now go dead after. Rather buy a woman car and something where I go. You know? I mean it. That makes sense. to have a balls at home, so I'm not have to buy nothing with balls. You know. You see me? Them I not like all them mellow. I'll get her some cheesecake too. She love cheesecake sometime. Guys, I don't know, live love our belly. I mean, I say not traditional, but you know, maybe a bit of fussy, but are the thoughts that count. And me can just tell her happy Valentine's Day. Comment down below and let me know. I think I want to get her. Sometime they have. So now I get them here. I mean, I get a balloon. Why I 20 off one of them balloons, you know? But she deserve it. I like the round one, them. May I get her one of them. Let's see, man. Okay, guys, so I get flowers, a bag, cheesecake, and some chocolate covered strawberry. And a balloon.
Hey, how are you guys?
I'm good, yeah?
Let's get that for you. Yeah. Es que sí me desespero más. You all have a great night.
Thank you. Okay, happy Valentine's Day to all of the beautiful ladies out there, including the most beautiful lady in the world. That's my baby, Olivia. So, Olivia, what do you think about your flowers?
I love my flowers.
You
I
love your
love it.
flowers?
Remember that time when you did the prank on me?
When we carry go a burger, McDonald's?
No, not the Valentine's Day prank. The prank when you was gonna confess to me that you cheated and you went and buy the flowers.
You ain't do something mean, do something like that? That's something
You
wicked.
pranked me, yeah, and you went and buy some little 2 piece of flower and all
I
that.
you say, oh, it could have been a bigger piece.
No, when you told me you was cheating, remember I said he come and give me 2 piece of leaf,
Mm-hmm.
tell me he's sorry, but no, this is not 2 piece of leaf. This is
You like your balloon?
I love everything. It's nice. Oh, I love Snoopy.
You love
I love
Snoopy?
his bag, yes. It's cute.
Okay, looking at your bag.
Oh,
Take you out.
oh, you know I love these.
You know you love food.
No, the chocolate. Remember the time I got chocolate covered strawberries and oh, you gave me cheese. Thank you. Guys, you don't want to be close to me because I have a cold, but thank you so much. It's so cute. I love it. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. Oh, and happy birthday to my brother. Today's his birthday. He's a Valentine's Day baby. So happy birthday to you, brother. I wish you many more.
Okay, later now.
Later.
Call my girlfriend now, pull up me now and catch you in that driveway.
Oh, okay, let me hurry up.
Hurry up.
You know, we don't want that.
Yeah. Later. So if you guys make it to the end of the video, I was just pranking you guys. And I'm a friend them on a batty boy, you see me? So me prank my friend them and me prank y'all. Cause me know so when I watch the video to the end, you see a prank y'all. Like, share and comment if you don't get pranked. And if you don't get pranked, just comment. You see me?
What they doing, keep on